What's up, everybody? I am Destroyer, your coach of the Washington Wake. We're coming at you with Soldu Academy's Week 4 match this week. We're up against the Pecatonica Fire Squirrels. So the scariest thing that I see on this team that I've really been worrying about and planning is that Terra, Iron Crown, but of course she's got some other really fast threats like Ogrepon Wellspring, Vikavolt with webs. Cinderace, of course, is really fast and hard-hitting and just very versatile. Let's see what we're going to do to try and counter this team. We're going to go first up with Pelipper. We are bringing the rain this week. This will allow us to give an extra speed boost to Barraskewda just to make sure that we are the fastest thing out there on the field. We got Damp Rock to help give us some extra turns of rain. Pretty standard, boring set with Roost, U-Turn, Surf, and Hurricane. Sometimes boring is okay, though. Next up, we have Barraskewda. We are going with Terra Water this week, as well as Life Orb. Because she has the Ogrepon Wellspring, I don't want to get stuck into a water move. But I do want to spam these water moves as much as possible. If we do end up using Terra on Barraskewda, in addition to the rain, then Liquidation and possibly Flip Turn will destroy just about everything in our path. Close Combat to give a 2 KO to Ogrepon Wellspring most likely, and Psychic Fangs to really damage Dragalge if she brings that, which also will resist fighting and water. Next up we have Thunderous Tea. We've got Taunt. If she does bring Vikavolt, I plan to lead Thundy so I can taunt it, keep it from putting up webs. Volt Switch for momentum. Thunderbolt and Terra Blast with Terra Ice for coverage. We're going with a Life Orb on this one as well, just to give it a little bit of extra juice when it's making some hits here. Next up, he's coming again. It is Forretress. Forretress is, of course, doing our rapid spin support here. We got him with heavy duty boots just in case. Keep it sturdy intact. If she does end up getting webs on us, I want to make sure we have a shot to spin them away, and having rapid spin with sturdy and boots will allow us to hopefully do that. Volt Switch for momentum. Heavy Slam is for Mimikyu, and Body Press is for just about everything else. Next up, we have Glow King. Glow King, we're running with an Assault Vest set actually this week. Be a little bit different. This should make it really hard to kill. Max defense. And the Assault Vest will make it eat pretty much whatever hits we need it to. Foul Play, Psychic Noise, Sludge Bomb, Focus Blast. I'm kind of worried about a Calm Mind Iron Crown setting up on us. Foul Play will allow us to do, I think, about 25 to 30% to it. So if it really just starts setting up on us, we'll at least be able to maintain some pressure there. Last up, we have Choice Scarf Urshifu. U-Turn for momentum, Wicked Blow, Close Combat, Sucker Punch. Same set I usually run on this thing. Pretty standard. Choice Scarf and just enough speed EVs to make sure that we can outspeed a Choice Scarf Meloetta. This should be faster than most of his team, as long as he's also not boosted. And yeah, it just hits really hard. So this will allow us to hopefully check anything that he has that's setting up and give us a chance to survive. Let's get into the match.
Okay, everybody, we're getting into the fight now. Let's take a look at what she brought. No webs, which is nice, not to have to worry about. Terra Captain, she's got, I think that, yeah, Iron Crown is the only Terra Captain. Can Terra Flying, Dark, or Fighting. And pretty quick team that she's got overall. I'm trying to wonder, should I just go ahead and set up Rain right off the bat? I think I'm going to do that. So we'll just start out with Pelipper here. See what she does. Okay, out comes Ogrepon. think we just do a hurricane here. Not sure if it'll KO or not, but it'll do quite a bit if this thing stays in. Okay. Ooh, only get the confusion hacks. That's pretty lucky on our end. We're just going to go ahead and go for the U-turn. See if she gets hacks here or not. She does. Sorry about that. That's unfortunate. Kind of wanted to be able to U-turn out there, but I guess we're going to be stuck in for another turn. Let's see who she brings in. Brings in Dragalge. Okay. Dragalge probably is slower than Pelipper here. Just trying to think who would be the best one to bring in next. And I think we can pretty safely go into Slowking. I might even hard switch into Slowking. Let's just go U-turn. She uses Thunder. Okay. So that's why we should have hard switched into Slowking. That sucks. So she's at least invested in speed. I wonder... Gosh, that sucks. Okay. Let's just go in with Thundurus here. I kind of wonder if she's a Choice Scarf on this thing. She didn't have a ground type, did she? I'm going to go for a Volt Switch here and see if she stays in. If she's Choice Scarf, she's going to have to switch out because of Volt Absorb. If she's not, I should be faster. Okay, so she's got some speed investment, but she is not Choice Scarf. I think we go to... We can pretty safely go to Slowking here with our Assault Vest. Let's go a Sludge Bomb or maybe a Draco. Draco's gonna hurt. Okay, I would expect that she switches out here. Who does she go into? We could do a Foul Play, maybe. Or do we just hard switch here? I think we just hard switch into Barraskewda while we have the rain up here. Oh, I hope she switches out. If she stays in, that's ballsy and would be a great play on her part. Oh, that's brutal. Okay. So, actually not sure how much this is going to do, but we're just going to go for it. Psychic Fangs. Okay, get rid of Dragalge. We're on kind of a pitch clock now with this rain. Should have switched out with Pelipper like I knew I should have, but didn't. Let's see who she brings in. Could go in with a... She's got her Meloetta, okay. How many turns do we have left of rain here? Just 2. Okay. I'm going to go for a flip turn. I think a flip turn kills this thing. And if we do go for a flip turn, who do we want in next? You know what? Let's go for a liquidation, actually. Because I think it would be nice to use that last turn on Barraskewda, assuming she's not Focus Sash here. Let's see if she is. She's not. Skewda is also getting ready to die of Life Orb here pretty soon, too. Zapdos comes in. And we again just go for the liquidation here. Oh, it lived. Okay. That's too bad, but oh shit, that sucks. Really? Oh. Oh no, that's terrible. Oh my gosh. The Defiant and the attack drop there, that's very problematic for us. Rain is gone now. Okay, we at least have Sturdy on Fortress. So I think we just have to stay in here and continue attacking anyways, and we're just going to lose Barrascuda. Okay, Scuda is down. She's going to hit very hard here. But again, we've got Sturdy. So should be able to knock this thing out. I think we just go for a Volt Switch here. Then she's got Cinderace and Iron Crown left. Yeah, she did a good job of getting rid of my Rain Sweepers pretty quick though, which sucks. I think maybe I go into Slowking next. Or no, I'm going to go into Urshifu, who's Choice Scarf. Let's do that. Gotta watch out for her Cinderace here, of course. If it's not Choice Scarf, I'll be faster than it, but it easily could be Choice Scarf. And if it is, it can knock me out with a high jump kick relatively easily here. Brings out Iron Crown. Okay. Booster energy special attack on this thing. Okay. So her Terras were flying, fighting, and dark. So I could do a close combat, thinking that this thing's probably going to be fighting or dark. I think that's going to be my best bet here, is just to go for the close combat and see what happens. Let's hope it's not Terra flying. It's Terra fighting, okay. So probably going to kill me here, but I should at least do a pretty good chunk to this thing. There's Terra Blast, okay. Iron Crown should be slower than Thundurus, unless I really screwed something up with Thundurus's EVs here. I think we can just do... Okay. Terra Fairy, I'm going to go for Terra Blast. I had Thunder on here for the rain, which would have been great, but we're going to go for Terra Blast here instead. Not sure that a Volt Switch is going to kill this thing. That's again unfortunate for me because Cinderace is going to resist my Terra Fairy here. Let's see, so she brings in Cinderace, who's going to be faster. It gets Gunk Shot. It also gets Pyro Ball, which can kill me here too, so I'm just really not in a great situation. Okay, we're just going to have to go for a Volt Switch and hope we can get some chip on this thing. She goes for Pyro Ball. Kills me. I think she's Choice Band. Okay. So, coming in with Slow King. I am max defense on Slow King here, so I should, I think, take about half from a Pyro Ball, and a Sludge Bomb will do about half as well. What will Foul Play do? Foul Play will do less than that. Okay, so our best bet here is just to go for Sludge Bomb. Sucker Punch. Okay. So she's not Choice Band. Okay, I gotta switch out here. Go back into Fortress. Use my Regenerator to hope that I can survive one more hit from Cinderace here. Goes for Sucker. Just go for a Volt Switch here, I presume. Just gonna Pyro Ball us. She misses. Oh, that's brutal. Okay. That is rough for her. And I think that that allowed us to win here unless she can crit us. Sucker Punches again. Alright. Good game. I think I might have had a little bit of luck there at the end with the Pyro Ball miss. And we're just going to have to take it. So, sorry about the miss there. Good game, and we'll see you guys next week.